Had a busy day? Craving something quick and tasty? Then don't miss today's recipe. A delightful bacon pumpkin soup ready in just 10 minutes. Trust me, it's a flavor-packed treat. First, peel the pumpkin and cut into pieces. Pumpkin packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Autumn is a pumpkin season. The purpose of chopping pumpkin up right now is to make it easier cooking later. Then chop the onions into small pieces. Based on your preference, choose any type of onions. They all add their unique flavor to the dish. Cook the bacon without adding the oil because it produces the oils itself later on. Flip it over to have an even fry. Repeat the steps until the fat gets dry. You can take it out and start to fry the onions in the bacon oil. When the onions get soft and you can smell the onions, add the pumpkin slice. Stir fry, add salt, a cup of water, cover the pot, and cook over high heat for 5 minutes. While waiting, cut the bacon into small pieces. Set aside for later use. After 5 minutes, the pumpkins are cooked and become soft. Take them out and put them into juicer. Add enough cream to soak most of the pumpkin into it. Add some cashew and dry shrimps. Make the soup. If it's too thick, you can also add more water according to your taste. Have some fresh bread. Smells so good. Easy to have homemade bread. We will share a lazy recipe in the future. The soup is ready. Only few steps. Super easy, right? I can eat it every day. You have to try it. I promise you, you will love it. Add the bacon chips, much as you like. Add the parsley and some cream as a decoration. The yummy bacon pumpkin soup is ready to serve. It smells so good. Can't wait to make a try. The creamy pumpkin soup, its velvety texture enhanced by savory bacon bits. The smoky flavor of bacon blends perfectly with the sweetness of pumpkin, making every spoon a comforting delight. It's like a warm hug on a chilly day. A delicious combo you will want to put down. It tastes so good. We share great recipe every week. Thank you for your watching and I see you in the next video.